Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sign in and sign out of OneDrive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further video. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Chrome. And when you are inside that interface, you just have to click on the search bar. Just click on it and you just have to type OneDrive and press search button. Just click on it. After that, the search results will be shown to you. So you just have to click on the first search result that is shown to you on your screen, and their interface will be shown to you right in front of your screen. And there will be a sign in button. You just have to click on that sign in button and you will be redirected to the next page. And there you just have to enter the mail, phone number or Skype with which you have created OneDrive account. And after that, you just have to enter your password and you will be able to sign in into OneDrive. And when you have signed in into OneDrive, this is the interface that is shown to you. And in order to sign out, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on it, and when you click on it, a pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. So you just have to click on that sign out button and you will be able to sign out from OneDrive. So this is how you can easily sign in and sign out of OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.